Which country recently honored Prime Minister Narendra Modi with its highest civilian award, Mitra Vibhushan? Correct answer is option A, Sri Lanka. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the Pension Fund Regulatory and Development Authority, PFRDA? Right answer is option C, Shivasubramanian Raman. Which state has achieved the GI tag for Rindia silk and Khasi handloom products? Correct answer is option C, Meghalaya. Which country assumed the chairmanship of BIMSTEC for 2025 to 27? Correct answer is option C, Bangladesh. Which state won the 15th Hockey India Senior Men National Championship Trophy 2025? Correct answer is option A, Punjab. Who has been re-elected as the president of the New Development Bank, NDB? Correct answer is option C, Dilma Rousseff. Who has been appointed as the chairman of Indian Banks Association for the next fiscal year? Right answer is option B, Challa Srinivasulu Setty. Which country was formally accepted as the 10th member state of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization? Correct answer is option C, Belarus. Who will be the 52nd Chief Justice of India? Correct answer is option B, B.R. Gavai. Which country has recently declared bald eagle as the national bird? Correct answer is option B, United States. Who has been appointed as the CEO of Government A Marketplace, GEM, by the Government of India? Correct answer is option B, Ajay Bhadu. How many medals has India won at the Archery World Cup 2025? Correct answer is option A, 4 medals. Who has been appointed as the new Comptroller and Auditor General of India in 2024? Correct answer is option B, K. Sanjay Murthy. What is India's rank in the World's Press Freedom Index in 2024? Right answer is option D, 159th rank. Who has topped the medal tally of 38th National Games 2025? Correct answer is option B, Services Sports Control Board. Who is the author of the book, Ratan Tata, A Life? Correct answer is option B, Thomas Matthew. Who has been appointed as the first brand ambassador from India by French luxury brand, Chanel? Correct answer is option B, Ananya Pandey. Which of the following has recently got the status of Navratna? Correct answer is option C, both A and B. Who has become the director in Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas? Correct answer is option A, Sagar Singh Kalsi. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of Bureau of Civil Aviation Security? Correct answer is option C, Rajesh Nirwan. How many medals India won in the World Boxing Cup 2025? Correct answer is option B, 6 medals. Where has the third edition of the joint military exercise between India and Egypt, Cyclone 2025, held recently? Correct answer option B, Rajasthan. Who was awarded the A.M. Turing Award 2024 for technical contribution in the field of computing? Correct answer is option D, both B and C, Andrew G. Bartow and Richard S. Sutton. Kumudini Lakhia, who passed away recently, was a renowned Kathak dancer. She was awarded with Padma Vibhushan in which year? Correct answer is option D, in 2025. Who has become the first Indian to receive the Fred Darrington Sandmaster Award? Correct answer is option C, sand artist, Sudarshan Patnaik. Which Indian American singer won the 67th Grammy Award for the album Triveni? Correct answer is option B, Chandrika Tandon. Who has been recently appointed as the new Space Secretary and the Chairman of ISRO? Correct answer is option C, V. Narayanan. Which country won the ICC Women's Under-19 T20 World Cup 2025 title? Correct answer is option A, India. Which state government has launched Maitri 2.0 portal? Correct answer is option C, Maharashtra. Where was the World Government Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option B, Dubai, UAE. Who has been appointed as a member of the Advisory Council of the Managing Director of IMF? Correct answer is option C, N. Chandrasekaran. Who has been elected as the Director General of the International Solar Alliance? Correct answer is option B, Ashish Khanna. Who has become the first female cricketer to be banned by ICC due to corruption? Correct answer is option B, Shoheli Akhtar. India's first biopolymer manufacturing plant will be set up in which district of Uttar Pradesh? Correct answer is option C, Lakhimpur Kheri. Who has been appointed as the 26th Governor of RBI? Correct answer is option B, Sanjay Malhotra. Which state has won the 2024-25 Vijay Hazare Trophy? Correct answer is option A, Karnataka. Which state government has declared a new wildlife sanctuary named Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar Abhyaran? Correct answer is option B, Madhya Pradesh. Who has topped the Khelo India Winter Games 2025 medal tally? Correct answer is option B, Indian Army. Which state government has launched Bhu Bharti portal for land record management in April 2025? Correct answer is option B, Telangana. Which men's kabaddi team won the gold medal at the 38th National Games? Correct answer is option A, Uttar Pradesh. Which of the following countries will host the FIFA World Cup in 2026? Correct answer is option B, the USA, Canada, and Mexico. Which country has become the 54th nation to sign the Artemis Accords in April 2025? Correct answer is option C, Bangladesh. Recently, Chapata chili of which state has got the GI tag? Correct answer is option C, Telangana. National Maritime Day is celebrated on? Correct answer is option B, the 5th of April. Recently, which state government has officially declared 2 archaeological sites from the Harappan era, Mitathal and Tig Rana? Correct answer is option A, Haryana. Which airport was named the world's best airport 2025 by Skytrax? Correct answer option A, Changi Airport, Singapore. What percentage of tariff has US imposed on the Indian goods? Correct answer is option D, 26%. The 14th edition of the bilateral naval exercise Indra 2025 recently took place between India and which country? Correct answer is option B, Russia. Where will the first Olympic esports games be held in 2027? Correct answer is option B, Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. By which year has India set a target to eliminate lymphatic filariasis? Correct answer is option B 2027. Jotham Napat has been elected as Prime Minister of which country in February 2025? Correct answer is option B Vanuatu. Which country will host the next Olympics in 2028? Correct answer is option C Los Angeles, USA. What is India's rank in the medal tally at the ISSF World Cup Buenos Aires 2025? Correct answer is option B second rank. Who has been appointed as the next Revenue Secretary of the Union Finance Ministry? Correct answer is option A Arvind Srivastav. Who won the Best Actress award at the Oscars for her role in Anora? Correct answer is option C Mikey Madison. Which has become country's first ATM train? Correct answer is option C Panchvati Express. Which country has recently launched the CR 450 prototype, the world's fastest high-speed train? Correct answer is option B China. Which has become the 36th state, UT to join the Ayushman Bharat scheme? Correct answer is option B Delhi. Who has been named the recipient of the 59th Jnanpith Award for outstanding contribution in the field of Hindi literature? Correct answer is option C Vinod Kumar Shukla. Which country has become the world's third largest biofuel producer? Correct answer is option B India. Who has been appointed as the private secretary to Prime Minister Narendra Modi? Correct answer is option A Nidhi Tiwari. Which country won the 2024 Sultan Azlan Shah Trophy by defeating Pakistan in the final? Correct answer is option C Japan. Who has been appointed as the new president of the Asian Cricket Council? Correct answer is option C Mohsin Naqvi. Where was the 6th BIMSTEC Summit 2025 held? Right answer is option B Thailand. Who has been honored with the prestigious Sir Garfield Sobers Award for ICC Men's Cricketer of the Year 2024? Right answer is option C Jasprit Bumrah. According to the Henley Passport Index 2025, which country has the most powerful passport? Correct answer is option C Singapore. Where was the Geological Survey of India, Geoscience Museum inaugurated in December 2024? Correct answer is option A Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. Where was the 9th edition of Global Technology Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option C New Delhi. Shirley Botchway of which country becomes first African woman to assume office as the Secretary General of the Commonwealth of Nations? Correct answer is option C Ghana. Which country has recently announced to join NDB, National Development Bank? Right answer is option B Indonesia. Who has been awarded the Goalkeeper of the Year award at the Hockey India Awards 2024? Correct answer is option A Savita Punia. Who has recently become the chairman of 23rd Law Commission? Correct answer is option D Dinesh Maheshwari. What is the mascot of the Khelo India Youth Games 2025? Right answer is option C Gajasimha. Netumbo Nandi Ndaitwah has been sworn in as the first female president of which country? Correct answer is option C Namibia. India has decided to discontinue the transshipment facility for which country? Correct answer is option D, Bangladesh. Where will India's first PPP green waste processing plant be established? Correct answer is option A, Indore, Madhya Pradesh. World Heritage Day is observed annually on which day? Correct answer is option B, the 18th of April. Which city's Shahnai has recently been granted the GI tag? Correct answer is option D, Varanasi. Who received the Ramnath Goenka Award for Excellence in Journalism 2025 in Hindi category? Right answer is option D, Mridulika Jha. The world's largest white hydrogen reservoir has been found in which country? Right answer is option A, France. Ollanta Humala is the former president of which country who has been sentenced to 15 years in prison? Correct answer is option C, Peru. Recently, who has been appointed as the next Director General of the Indian Council of Agricultural Research, ICAR? Correct answer is option A, Dr. Mangi Lal Jatt. Who won the Indian Super League (ISL) 2024-25 title? Correct answer is option B, Mohan Bagan Super Giant. Which state government has launched the Elevate 2024 to provide grants of up to 50 lakhs per startup? Right answer is option A, Karnataka. Who has won the title of Davis Cup 2024? Correct answer is option B, Italy. Who has been awarded the Holberg Prize 2025? Correct answer is option B, Gayatri Chakravarti Spivak. Which country has topped the medal tally of 9th Asian Winter Games 2025? Correct answer is option C, China. Recently, who became the first ever woman union law secretary? Correct answer is option C, Anju Rathi Rana. Which country will host the SCO summit in 2025? Correct answer is option C, China. Friedrich Merz has become the Chancellor of which country? Correct answer is option B, Germany. Who has become the first woman president of International Olympic Committee, IOC? Correct answer is option A, Kirsty Coventry. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of Central Reserve Police Force? Correct answer is option C, Gyanendra Pratap Singh. Who has been appointed as the new Finance Secretary of India? Correct answer is option C, Ajay Seth. Udhwa Lake, recently designated as a Ramsar site, is located in which Indian state? Correct answer is option B, Jharkhand. Amalsar Chiku of which state has been granted the GI tag? Correct answer is option D, Gujarat. Who has been appointed as the new CEO of Intel in March 2025? Correct answer is option B, Lip Bhutan. Which country won the third Sabah Women's Basketball Championship title 2025? Correct answer is option C, India. Shigeru Ishiba has been elected as the Prime Minister of which country? Correct answer is option C, Japan. Daniel Noboa has been re-elected as the President of which country? Correct answer is option C, Ecuador. Where was India-Uzbekistan joint military exercise Daslik 6 conducted? Share your answer in the comments section below. Hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.